Humblunt hats. Get a hat on your head.
Hello everybody, Humblunt. So, as is what I normally like to do when I get new felts in, I generally like to make a little video showing them off. So today I got some new ones. These are some Copyu felts, which is Nutria. So I got two of them. The first one I'm going to pull out is Midnight Blue. Look at that color. Midnight Blue. This one is going to be for my mom. She's been asking me for a hat for a long time, and haven't done it yet. So I finally ordered her this Nutria. It's a dress weight Midnight Blue. Look at that color. Isn't that cool? It is so soft. This Nutria, when it comes, it is just the softest thing ever. Beaver is not soft like this when it comes. Beaver can be a little bit rough to the touch initially, and it gets soft as you work it. This Nutria, it is just the softest stuff right out the box. So there's the Midnight Blue. I got the second one, Western weight. This color is Honey. This is Western weight, but it's the big Western weight. It's 250 grams. So it's got a nice wide brim to it. I mean, look at the size of that thing. Let's do a comparison. The dress weight, 160 grams. The Western weight, 250 grams. So, and this is a honey color. That is really, really amazing. The camera here doesn't really give it justice. Some fuzz on there from the Midnight. The camera doesn't give it the same justice that it is in person. It is like, it looks like honey. It really is amazing. Also super soft, but because it's a Western weight, it's much stiffer than the dress weight 160. The dress weight is a little softer, a little more flexible. You can see it once it flexes a little bit there. And this Western weight, I mean, it doesn't want to flex. See that? And will if I'm yanking on it, but just to push on it, I mean, it's a stiff felt. Look how thick that is. There's a lot of felt there. Granted, when it's done, that will be a lot thinner, because I will have sanded it down and ironed it to compress all the fibers. I was going to be working this honey into a hat for my honey pot, my wife. She doesn't know about it yet, so if you want it and you act quickly,